gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and...
Hey everyone, today I've got something exciting to show you. We're unboxing the brand new OPPO Find X9s Pro, which is just about to launch. First things first, can you guess this color? There's a peel strip right here, super easy to remove. From what I've heard, there are 4 color options in total, and honestly, I'm pretty excited about them. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Let's start with the case. Wow, this one is surprisingly compact. I actually love this size. It's a light purple frosted silicone case, soft to the touch and really comfortable to hold in your hand. All right, now for the main attraction, the phone itself. Here we go. Ta-da! The color I've got is called Free White, but it's not exactly pure white. It has this subtle light purple tint, which makes it look really unique. Even though it's a lighter shade, it's super pleasing to look at. Clean, refreshing, and very versatile. It's the kind of color that doesn't get boring over time. It feels calm and soothing, almost like what my mom's username suggests. Tranquility leads to far-reaching vision. And wow, the in-hand feel is amazing. Very smooth and skin-friendly. The back has a frosted texture, and OPPO has used a liquid cold carving process here, which not only looks premium, but also resists fingerprints really well. Now taking a closer look at the camera module, it carries forward the design language of the X9 Pro, but with a slightly extended frame. It has this window-like appearance that stands out. As for the hardware, it's seriously impressive. A 200 megapixel main camera paired with a 200 megapixel periscope telephoto lens, making it another dual 200 megapixel setup. There's also a smaller sensor, which is likely there for color accuracy. In hand, the phone feels slim and lightweight. According to the specs, it's just 8.4 millimeters thick. The edges transition smoothly into the frame, so nothing feels sharp or uncomfortable. Let's move to the front. At the top, there's just a small infrared sensor, while the SIM slot and speaker sit at the bottom. The sides are clean and minimal, which I really like. And wow, check out those bezels. They're incredibly thin. It looks like we're getting around a 1.1 millimeter ultra narrow bezel this time. Plus, it's a flat display, which many people prefer. To my eyes, the screen looks very comfortable, likely an eye protection certified panel. The phone runs on ColorOS 16, and you'll notice a small gold logo that hints at a major upgrade. I'm definitely looking forward to testing this out more. One feature I found really useful is the lock screen interaction. Recently used apps show up in a capsule-style layout at the bottom, so they don't block your wallpaper. You can swipe left or right to switch between them, and even swipe up to perform quick actions without unlocking the phone. Even tapping navigation can bring up things like maps in full screen. Super convenient. The animations feel smooth and very intuitive as well. I'll be sharing my full thoughts on the camera performance soon, but for now, the Find X9s Pro looks like a very well-rounded device. With camera hardware that rivals Ultra models and clear improvements in the software experience, OPPO seems to have created something powerful and easy to use. This is just my first impression, and I'll be dropping a detailed review after the official launch on April 21st. So if you're interested, make sure to subscribe to the channel and join our tech community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.